Scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today with another couple pages in my December Daily 2024 album. So this one I am starting off with day number 9. I'm also going to cut down these photos for day number 10. And I believe I'm going to use the Snow and Cocoa collection. It looks like, I think that's the collection that I have there to the left of the video. And because I had 2 photos from day number 10, I'm not sure what I end up doing, but I think I am going to use both pages for day number 10, just to make it a little bit more cohesive and easier to use both of those photos. So I'm cutting apart this diagonally striped paper, and I'm going to cover up the journaling lines, which I'm okay with because I don't remember. Oh, I think I do remember. Day number 9 was just a cute little snowman that we made at work. And that journaling is going to be really simple. So I didn't need a ton of space to do journaling about that. So at work, I work in a lab. I'm a phlebotomist and we have a freezer. And so we came up with the funny idea one day. We were super bored. I believe it was the 9th, that we wanted to make this little snowman and then put him in the freezer and see how long he stayed frozen. And I don't actually remember how long he stayed frozen, but we kind of forgot he was in there because as a phlebotomist, I don't go in the back and open the freezer a lot because I'm not the lab tech. The lab tech opens the freezer more than I do, but being the phlebotomist and the receptionist, I stay up front more. And so I want to say it was like into the 20th when I went back there and opened the freezer before I realized, oh, we still have that guy in there. And his nose kept falling off because I think we just used like a piece of paper that we colored orange with like a highlighter. So that was kind of funny. But now I'm working on day number 10, you can see, and that is Jonas and I went and did some ornament making, and that was a really fun activity that Jonas and I did together. I was really happy about that. I don't get to see Jonas a lot, and so it's always fun when we can do fun things together and spend time together. So here I'm using a little doily that is from my stash, and I'm having a hard time getting the last bit of my Nuvo glue, the liquid glue, out of the bottle. And that's always sad when it gets down to the last of it and you start having a hard time doing that. I was being really creative with adding the doily to these little clusters of embellishments. That's always really fun when you have such a small space and you can add little details like doilies or other things to just make it a little bit more interesting and fun. And then I'm going to glue down this, I think it says Snow Much Fun. It's a banner, and then a cute little embellishment. I want to say, oh, what is the name of that company? I can't even remember what that company is called. If I have a link that I'm going to use or that I find for these products, I will put that down in the link in the description below. I'm also going to add some of these stickers from this sticker page, and that is from the same collection, and I want to say it is called oh my goodness, now I'm drawing a blank. I said it at the beginning of the video. It's fine. You guys know which collection. And I'm just looking through this little booklet of stickers to see if there's anything else I want to add. And I have a lot left on this video. I'm only like halfway done with the voiceover, so I'm not really sure what more I add to it. But that one, I think I add a little snowman to that day number 9 photo of our snowman in the freezer. And I think we even added like a little scarf to him. Like we found stuff to make buttons with, and it was really kind of fun. Now I'm just adding more stickers to day number 10. And I think these 3 photos were the favorites that I took or that I scrapbooked with all the embellishments and things. I did do some journaling on day number 9. I'm very excited about that because I don't remember a lot about that. And so I'm glad that I wrote some journaling down. It's always best to do your journaling right away, but I am very bad about doing that. And then it looks like I'm going to journal about day number 10 too. I wonder if I'm trying to decide if I want to add more lines. Yep, it looks like I wanted to add more journaling lines to write because I had some extra space there at the top. And now I am journaling there as well. I wonder if I go back and journal the other days for the rest of this video because I still have quite a bit of video left. I hope that you enjoyed this process video, and let me know down below if you are all caught up on your December dailies, or if you are trying to catch up on past December dailies. What are you doing this year for December daily? I had a lot to say for day number 10, but that is good. And I always say a lot, and then I don't always have enough space to write everything. So yay, I do go back and do journaling. So I'm glad that I did that. So that must be what the rest of the video is. And I will just kind of leave this here. If you want to watch me journal, you can, and I'll just add some music. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this series on me getting caught up on my December Daily 2024. Thanks for watching. Have a great scrappy day. Bye.